using this Harbor Freight drill tool. I forget what it's called. Drill Master. Using a brass brush wheel to polish this aluminum knife handle. Just done about half of it. Well, it don't look too shiny now after I got all the greasy fingerprints on it. But it had like a machined handle. It had like lines all in it. And I had sanded those out, most of it. Here's a couple of aluminum handled knives I picked up from the second-hand store. It was only a quarter. I think this one was a quarter. That one was 75 cents. But for aluminum handles. So yeah, I'm just polishing the aluminum with the little Harbor Freight Dremel. Here's the one I just had out there. Sanded it, and then I used a brass brush to polish it, but I've got fingerprints all over it. But here's another one. You can see how gray the aluminum gets, oxidizes. But I'm gonna polish these and resharpen them if they need to be sharpened. Clean the blades on them. That one's got like a little belly there, or whatever it's called. They just sharpened wrong or something. We'll try to straighten that out. And I'll put like maybe dimples or some kind of texture. Dremel out some texture or lines or some kind of design in these aluminum handles. Just practicing with these second-hand store finds. But yeah, I like the all metal look. Even though they are kitchen knives, they still can use them for utility purposes, stripping the wire, cutting tape, things like that outdoors. You know, probably for get it sharp, watermelon, maybe melon, cantaloupes, things like that. But yeah, here's a close-up of it before. Not much to write home about. There's no names on them, so they're probably $6 or $8 knives new. But yeah, that's what I got as a project. Check back later.